Welcome to the Wires tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to send a wire. If you do not have access to wires and you are interested in this service, please contact ICCU. After you have logged in, select the Wires Payment widget. The Classic tab allows you to send wires. To be able to send a wire, you must first create a payee in the Business Administration widget. If you have questions about how to create a payee, please watch the Business Administration tutorial or call ICCU. Once you have created a payee, you can send a wire by first selecting the payee you want to wire funds to. Then, select the payee's account where the funds will be deposited. Next, select the funding account that you want the funds to come from. Assign a wire category. Enter the amount. On the right, you can select Show Limits to view the maximum daily, weekly, and monthly limits. Next, select the date you want the wire to be delivered. In the Originator to Beneficiary info box, you can communicate remittance advice information such as invoice details to the payee. Confirm the wire information on the right. Finally, complete the wire by selecting Confirm Payment. Wires must be submitted by 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time daily. The Scheduled tab shows a calendar of all scheduled wires. You can select a day with a scheduled wire to view or cancel the wire. The History tab allows you to view and search completed wires. For more questions or information, please click the Help button in the top right or call ICCU at 1-800-456-5067.